Welcome back to the channel. Doing another comparison between Walmart product and not Walmart product to see where you should be spending your money. Okay, so if you own a home surrounded by trees, or maybe just an area that doesn't see the sun very much, you get mildew like the floor here, this entire deck, 2 or 3 times a year I need to pressure wash it. Like spraying it, scrubbing it with a brush too much. So I picked up a pressure washer a few years ago when I bought the house, but then you have to use this tiny little nozzle and then it takes forever. So then I was introduced to these surface cleaners, which make life way, way better. And so I wanted, my current surface cleaner went out. So I wanted, like, okay, I'm gonna go back to the store. I'm gonna buy the one Walmart sells. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and buy the one that my pressure washer can handle. And I'm gonna compare the two and see how they do. This is the only one I could find on the shelf. It is a 12-inch and it fits pressure washers up to 2,500 PSI. This is a 15-inch. It handles pressure washers up to 3,400. Now I have a Simpson with a Honda motor and that thing can do 2.5 gallons, 3,300 PSI. Now, right off the bat, there's a couple differences between the two. This one right here, 2 jets, dual rotating jets, has 3 casters. So you don't have to worry about maintaining space to the ground. This will automatically do it. So this one has a little brush around the edge. That's what maintains the gap to the ground. You can see this rotates around when pressurized. The little nozzles here is what sprays out, and it does a pretty amazing job at cleaning. Every now and then you have to lift this up, let the dirt out, especially like my patio is a disaster. And I've put the sand in between and doesn't matter, stuff always grows back. Quick release here on top. Let's look at the Ryobi one. It has 3 wheels and it also has this brush around the edge. Let's get to it. Let's run it on this ground and see what they look like side by side. This one's 12 inches, that one's 15 inches. So automatically that one's 25% wider. All right, let's try it. Okay, so round 1 was, gosh, pretty lopsided. I mean, even with, if money isn't a factor, the Hyper Tough from Walmart unit just blew away on this composite deck surface. The deck looks fantastic now, but I don't know, just the Ryobi unit just left circles, took a little longer. Now, don't get me wrong, it slid across the deck with the 3 casters, super easy, but just didn't clean how I wanted it to. So now we're gonna go to round 2, natural stone, and my paver looks horrendous. And I literally just did this at the beginning of the year. And there's grout sand in the cracks. It doesn't matter. It's been a hot, humid, wet year. And it's just grown like crazy. But first, I want to give a shout out to my friend Tyler Berger. He runs finfishing.com. These shirts are made in the United States proudly. So like any water sports activities or fishing, boating, they're perfect for that. They have a hood on the back to keep the sun off your neck. Sells hats, sells gloves, sells a bunch of other things. But anyway, out to round 2. We'll do the 15-inch Ryobi versus the 12-inch Hyper Tough on the stone. They've both got their work cut out. Let's see how it looks. Here we are on the second half of the comparison on the natural stone, and this is a different clear winner. The Ryobi shines much better in its cleaning performance on this side. Very little leaves, very little moss left compared to the other side, which has leaves and moss still left. The Ryobi shockingly would get stuck on the little pieces of grass or leaves. Otherwise it rolled very smoothly across, just heavier. The Hyper Tough unit was super light, super easy to maneuver. It just didn't dig into the cracks like the Ryobi did. So this is a really tough one because the Hyper Tough clearly was better on the deck. The Ryobi is clearly better on the natural stone, but I have to have one that I'm gonna use all over the place. No, I have two of them. But if you need a pressure washer surface cleaner for your deck, maybe even for like concrete driveway or asphalt driveway, get the Hyper Tough. And but if you've got natural stone with any cracks in it, the Ryobi is the one that you've got to go to. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love it if you would subscribe and like it and turn notifications on, share it with others if you find this content helpful. And I will have more comparisons on the big name brands versus what you can buy at Walmart coming in the future.